APJ Abdul Kalam, Abul Pakir Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam, or Abdul Kalam as he is well known, is the major force behind India's missile power. He is the driving force behind missiles like Agni, Prithvi, Akash, Trishul and Nag, which made Indian images missile power in the world. Kalam was born in 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Abdul Kalam had his Indian education in Rameswaram. Later, he studied at Squaj High School in Ramanathapuram. Subsequently, he moved to St. Joseph College, Tiruchi. Throughout, he was not a bright student in terms of the marks that he secured in exams. He developed an interest in physics after completing the BSc degree course from St. Joseph. He joined the Madras Institute of Technology, the best institute for teaching education in South India at the time. He is specialized in aeronautical engineering and became a full-fledged aeronautical engineer after being trained at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bangalore. After his college education, Abdul Kalam was keen on joining the Indian Air Force. But his dream of joining the Indian Air Force was raised when he just missed to make it to the selected list of candidates. Throughout he was said to being unable to join the Indian Air Force, he went ahead and joined the Directorate of Technical Development and Production, DTD and PR, as a senior scientific assistant. Abdul Kalam's job at the DTD and PR, the launching pad for his glorious career in the defense field. After working for some time at the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) in USA. Abdul Kalam returned to India and helped the country to develop ever some weaponry. Abdul Kalam leads a simple life, working 18 hours a day. He is fond of music and spends his leisure hours practicing Veena. He is also actively involved in developing inexpensive medical devices to bring advanced medical care within the reach of the poor Indians. He was known the Missile Man of India for his work in the development of ballistic missile technology. In 1992 to 1999, Kalam was the chief scientist advisor to the Prime Minister and the Secretary of DRDO. In 2002, Abdul Kalam was elected the 11th President of India. He had won the Hughes magazine. He was the first scientist to become Indian President and incidentally the first bachelor too. Abdul Kalam died of a cardiac arrest while giving a lecture at IIM Shillong on 27 July 2015. Awards of Dr. Abdul Kalam: in 1981 Padma Bhushan, 1990 Padma Vibhushan, 1997 Bharat Ratna. Famous quotations: every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Abdul Kalam's childhood family photo. If you like my videos, please like it and subscribe it and click the bell icon and share to your friends and family members. Thank you.